the quick tip, we can show the surface or the area were machined already. We can change the color for each operation like this. This one operation, 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 and we can check which surface we run already and which one need to run next. We can click over here and all of the surface we run already, and we need to run this one and this one and this one. So how we can use the different color like this? By right click over here and option, display option, and we change the color machine over here, machining geometry. And if we don't like this color, we can use another color like pink color. And okay, yes, this will change the color for the quick geometry machining. And now we can click every single operation like this. Escape first. This one, you see different color, and it show up all the color we ran already, and we can select all. That means this and this and this. We need to make the toolpath for this portion, this portion, this portion, I mean this surface. That's the pro tip. We can track on which surface we use for machine already and which surface is left over we didn't machine, and we need to make the toolpath for machine.